Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is how to change the water filter on a Samsung 4-door French door fridge. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of new videos, and I really appreciate a thumbs up. Thank you in advance. So I'm going to get started. This is the 2019 4-door French door fridge from Samsung, and it's very similar in the other fridges how to change the water filter, but I do want to show you how easy it is to do it and save you some money and time as well. By the way, a little bit on the fridge. It's very beautiful. It's fingerprint resistant, and the controls on the inside on the white door, by the way. So, and the fridge has 4 drawers, and then works really well. The one I just got. So let's get started. To take it out, you just twist it to the left and pull it out. That's counterclockwise. And this water filter is around $50 or so. I post the model number here as well. You know, so it had, notice the washers on the end. To put it in, I'm gonna put it straight in, make sure the lock and unlock. Then they're gonna twist it like that. Okay, so let's do it. There you go. That's how easy it is and fast to change the water filter in a 4-door French door Samsung fridge. Hope you liked the video. Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.